I'm happy to announce that we are releasing SQL Spreads 7.5. In this video, I will give you an introduction to the three main changes that we have done in SQL Spreads 7.5. So the first change I will go through is a change that we've done to the tree filters. Previously, if you used tree filters and you used the hierarchical or multi-level tree filters, there was limitations. You could only add 5 groups or 5 levels to a tree filter. Now we have removed that limitation, so you can use an unlimited number of groups or levels in a tree filter. Like in this case, we have 30 levels, which is probably more than in most use cases, but now you're unlimited, so you can add as many as you like. The second change I would like to go through is also for the tree filters, and it also has to do with the hierarchical or multi-level tree filters. So previously, if you used a multi-level tree filter and you would like to use any of the groups above your filter items to do the actual filtering, you needed to do some special workaround where you added some XML code to get the key value for that group into the actual selected items. We have now made that super simple by adding specific parameters in SQL Spreads for each level. So if you would like to filter on a group or a level, you can just add a parameter for that filter. Like in this case, we have the region group, and we can just add a parameter called region filter underscore code, and then we can get the key value for that region. So that's now super simple to use in the filtering. And the last update I would like to go through is an update that we've done to the intro dialogues. Previously, the intro dialogues was only shown when you started Excel, and once you went through them, they were gone and you couldn't get back to them. Now we've added a button so you can get into the intro dialogues and replay them at any time you like. We've also added this list where you can see all the steps in the intro. And if you would like to go back to a specific step, you can just click that step and it will bring up the intro dialog for that step. If you would like to give SQL Spreads a trial, head over to our webpage and download the free trial. To get more updates like this, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.